Hello children, we are on second part of lesson 5. Our next part is the stem. The stem is the main part of the shoot. You can see the stem is the main part of the shoot. This is the trunk. It grows above the ground. Branches, leaves, birds, flowers and fruits grow from it. Different plants have different kinds of stem. Different kinds of stem are there of different plants. The stem of a tree is also called a trunk. This is also called as trunk. Stem is also known as trunk. It varies from a plant to plant. It is large, thick and hard. The stem of some plants like money plant, grapes, pumpkin and muskmelon is soft and very tender also. It cannot stand straight without any support. Without any proper support, it cannot stand. In some plants, the stem grows under the ground and stores the food. In case of some plants, the stem also grows under the ground and stores the food. Next, coming to the functions of the stem. The stem holds the plant upright, keeps the plant straight. It bears leaves and flowers. It has leaves and flowers. It carries water and mineral from the roots to other parts of the plant. It also helps to carry water and minerals from the roots to other parts of the plant. It also carries food made by leaves to all parts of the plant. It helps to carry food made by the leaves to all parts of the plant. Some stems store food which we eat as sugarcane, ginger, potato are such stems. These are the example of such stems. Over here, transportation in plants. Let us see. This is the bud, this is the leaf, this is the stem. So, glucose moves up to the growing bud. You can see water and minerals from the soil, glucose made by photosynthesis. This is the direction how it is going, and glucose moves down to the growing roots also. It goes one line, it is coming towards down, another line going to the up. You can see that this is the total water and minerals are taken up by the roots. Water and minerals are taken by the roots. So basically the function we can say water and minerals from the roots to other part of the plant. It helps to carry to other part of the plants. Now coming to the next part, that is the leaves. Leaves is a very important part of a plant. And in the leaves it is also known as kitchen of the plant. You can see here a diagram or a part of a leaf. This is the midrib. This main is the midrib. And these are the leaf blade. These are the veins you can see. And this is the stalk. So the stem bears leaves. They are of various shapes and size. Varieties of leaves are there as per depending on the plants. Generally, all leaves are green leaves because they contain a substance called chlorophyll. You can see here, maximum the leaves are green in color due to the chlorophyll, substance called chlorophyll present in the leaves. The flat and broad part of the leaf is called leaf blade or lamina. This flat part we call it as a leaf blade or lamina. There are many thin lines on the leaf. They are called veins. Many thin lines you can see which are known as veins. In the middle of the leaf is the main vein called the midrib. This middle one is called the midrib. A number of side veins branch out from the main vein. The stalk of a leaf is called petiole, which contains the leaf of the stem. The stalk of the leaf we call it as a petiole. Petiole which connects to the leaf of the stem. Now coming to the functions of the leaf. Leaf plays a very important role. It helps in preparing food for the plant because they contain a green pigment called chlorophyll which helps to absorb sunlight, and with the presence of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight, it prepares food for the plant, and that process is called photosynthesis. So they are known as the kitchen of the plant. You can underline here the chlorophyll. All the dark colored letters are very, very important. I have already underlined. You can see here. Please do underline in your book. Next, coming to the second point, tiny openings on the lower surface. In the lower surface of the leaves, there are tiny openings, that is known as stomata, which helps in to take in and give out air and extra water. Next, leaves use carbon dioxide gas during the process of photosynthesis and release oxygen, which is very important for the living beings. We take in oxygen. So during the process of photosynthesis, leaves use carbon dioxide and release oxygen. In some plants such as cabbage, spinach and lettuce, the leaves store food. We eat them as a food. This all are the, in some plants, so this all are the leaves which store food and we eat it. This is the photosynthesis process. Light energy, you can see it is transforming, giving out, radiating oxygen back to the atmosphere, and it is taking carbon dioxide. Water it is taking from the roots. This is the process of photosynthesis, and leaf is known as the kitchen of the plant. Please do remember, very important. Next, coming to the flowers. The flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. They grow on stem. They are of different colors, shapes and size. Yes, it is the most beautiful part of the plant. They usually have a sweet smell, for example, rose, jasmine, etc. It makes the plant look pretty and attractive. Flowers are used for preparing perfumes and for decorations also we do use it. So, functions of the flowers. Let us see the functions. Flowers attract insects like bees and butterflies for nectar, which help them to grow into the fruits. Honeybees and butterflies collect honey from them. Most flowers change into fruits which contain seeds. Maximum of the flowers change into fruits which contain seeds. We eat flowers of some plants such as cauliflower, broccoli. These are the flowers which we eat. Plants reproduce with the help of flowers. Then coming to the next part, fruits. Fruits are formed from flowers. They are fleshy, eatable part of the plant. Basically, fruit is the eatable part. They have seeds inside them. Some fruits like mangoes and cherries have one seed. Apple, oranges have few seeds, while fruits like pomegranate, papaya have many seeds. The color of the fruits changes when it ripens. Obviously, the color changes when it is ripened. There are different size, shape and color. Fruits also having different shape, size and color. Let us see the functions. Fruits bear seeds. Fruit is having the seeds. They enclose and protect the seed. Most of the fruits are eaten by us. Some common fruits are mango, apple and watermelon. Some fruits are mango, apple and watermelon. So there are some fruits which we eat. Some are edible fruits. Some are non-edible fruits are also there.